AISP stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. As I'm looking, I finally started to see these breaks happening, which I'm actually very excited about. Airship AI finally started breaking the high, man. Like, I have the most wins, the most proof documented, the most videos made on this YouTube channel than anyone else really in the space. Show me another person with 38,000 videos over 4.5 year span period. I bet you won't, but yes, coming back into it. Saw the first, this is more so the second break, but that makes it even better. This long side is still going to be kept there, but a lower time frame, nothing stopping me from trying and testing out the waters as long as the price pulls down here, and yet then I'll potentially take things up. If not, it's all good, you know. What I'm not gonna do is randomly buy. So I'll just keep waiting. And if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's free sauce, free access.